4 simple ways how to grow your e-commerce business via email marketing this year. Hi, my name is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. If you're first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to get updates when we're releasing the videos. We are releasing this kind of videos every Thursday, and every Tuesday we're releasing Flowium Explains, like quick tutorials about technology around e-commerce. Okay, so let's start with the let's start with the first one. But in this video, we'll talk about 4 ways how to grow your business via email marketing. So the first one, size does not matter. What do I mean? You need to build your mailing list, but size, it's not important if you just look at the size of your list and nothing else. Only engaged size matters. You can have, just to give you an example, so I have one client and they have like 1 million email subscriber, which is a lot, and you think it's like crazy amount of email subscribers. However, only 100,000 engaged. In other words, it's like a tenth of that list is engaged, and the other 900 is like cold subscribers. So this is our job, either re-engage that list or suppress them. The second tip is to segment your list. So in the first tip, you need to grow your list, but do not focus on the size, focus on engagement. But in the second tip, segment your list, and segmentation will help with the engagement, because if you segment your list, if you send relevant emails, people will be more willing to open your emails. We have an entire podcast episode about segmentation. So 3 easy ways how to segment your list. So please listen. Alyssa and Vera, our podcast hosts, explain in details how you can do it. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to our podcast, please subscribe and leave us a review. We work hard to deliver you the quality information. And also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It helps our channel to grow as well and to get exposure. Tip number 3 is to plan ahead and streamline your campaigns. Email marketing industry and e-commerce industry in general getting saturated, and a lot of more and more e-commerce businesses getting email marketing, and competition is getting higher to get attention of the customer. So in the past, there were fewer marketing emails in the person's inbox, your customer or potential customer inbox. Now they have more and more those kind of emails. So you need to plan out what you want to send, when you want to send it, and to which segment, to which customer you want to send it. So it requires planning and also streamlining your campaigns. That's why we created campaign checklist. We use this checklist internally for all of our clients. You can download this for free today and use it in your company. But the goal is to plan out your campaigns ahead and use a checklist so you don't make any mistakes. Final tip is to lay out and strategize your flows. A lot of flows or automation, whatever system you use, it's called different automation, drips, flows, sequences, and so forth. Doesn't matter which software you use, we strongly suggest to plan out your automations in one place. It can be on a whiteboard, it can be on a paper, it can be in a Google drawing, it can be any other flow chart designer. Internally, we use Miro, and lay out all of your flows, automations, and list out all emails in each automation. This way, it will give you general idea of what you have, and this will make your life easier and your team's life easier to update those automations in the future, to add, to remove, and so forth. So it will add transparency to your marketing team. So those are 4 simple tips which will help to grow your e-commerce business via email marketing. If you have any additional questions, please leave them below. And also, again, if you're not subscribers, please subscribe. It helps us grow our channels. And if you like the video, like it. If you have any additional comments or suggestions, please leave them under this video, and we will check and respond almost every day to all of our questions. Thank you.